Welcome to the future of hands-free tissue culture. Ronawk has created the BioBlocks to ensure tissue development. The BioBlock is a customizable tissue-mimetic structure that allows cells to generate bio-mimetic microenvironments. Cell culture within the BioBlocks exhibit more consistent phenotypes, lower levels of senescence, and improved biological output. This platform eliminates the needs for subculture. The entire process can be hands-free by utilizing liquid handling. The combination of Integra's Assist Plus and Ronakk's BioBlocks creates a hand-free system to make the workflow easier, from seeding, adding and removing media aspiration, harvesting cells, tissue, and biologics. Push the button and the system does the rest. Ronakk's BioBlocks and Integra's Assist Plus allow innovators to start a culture, perform experiments, and/or scale all in the same substrate. Saving precious time and resources while limiting errors and contamination. With the Integra Assist Plus and BioBlocks together, expanding your tissue and cellular research and developing biomimetic microenvironments is a breeze. Contact us to learn more about this revolutionary system and discover how it can transform your research. The future of hands-free tissue culture.